Welcome to our YouTube channel Vicus Education Academy. Now let's understand new topic with the experiment.
Hello everyone, today we will discuss an important concept from class 10 chapter electricity. It is series combination and parallel combination with live experiment. We have a setup of 3 bulbs for the series combination and for the parallel combination. If you see here, you will observe that these 3 bulbs are attached in a series combination, and here we had made a series combination of 3 bulbs. If you see here, this is our main source for electricity, and from there this wire, and from here this wire and this wire, and this is our main source. If we on the current from the main source, we will observe that these bulbs are glowing, but the intensity of light is low due to very heavy resistance in the series combination. But if we remove any one bulb from this circuit, we will see that all the bulbs off. This happened because the current circuit is not completed here. But when we plug in, we will again see that these 3 bulbs glow. This is the combination of series circuit.